This is a finished cover with the plastic to protect the freeze. So this is for frost prevention. So temperature is going to be 34 tonight. Even 34 is still okay, but I don't want any further damage to the tree, so I want to make sure that it's covered. So it's safe now. And since the tree is still small, so we're going to do this. And then on probably September of next year, that's when we're going to have the big plastic film cover the hoop house. So they're good now. Today I have my family to come and help me. I have my little boy, big boy, girls, and my wife. So they're all here to give me hands, so they'll be able to get everything done. So now I can go have a good night's sleep. No worry about it. So it's good. So it's all secure now. So we'll wait until next year, probably March of next year. Then we'll come out here and then open it up, and then we'll see the thing. All right.